What type of product are you developing? What application are you working on? Can Scivax help you? Our Nano Foundry service is different. People with industry professional background and partnership with industry experts. Application is enormous. Feel free to contact us if you have any question about nano fabrication. Nanoimprinting can cover broader range of application. Our people have essential technical background, such as fabrication process development, optical simulation and design, semiconductor process, material, biotech, display, optics, dry etching, tool design, and the partnership with industry experts.
The global 3D sensor market is constantly growing. Automotive, home security, access control, mobile device, cleaning robot are some of them. Optical components in front of VCSEL light source plays the key role for illumination. Such optical components are often fabricated with the polymer structure on glass. Imprinting is one of the best technique for mass volume production for such components. 3D sensor detects the depth directional information from the phase delay of the reflected light relative to the emitted light. We have been spending the significant effort to develop the new concept of illumination lenses for stringent application requirement. We also developed the robust material system and process to supply high-quality, reliable micro-lens array and diffractive optical element for 3D sensor. Consumable chip for the next generation DNA sequencer can be made with nanoimprint technique. Scivax has been developing the process to control the surface chemistry for the well structures. We believe we can contribute to the low-cost production of the consumable chip in this market segment. Material selection is one of most critical items in this application. Scivax has a material library for both thermal and UV curable resins. So we can propose the best suited resin material for the customer-specific applications. We can also etch the substrate to make a well structure in the substrate material itself. Integrating the custom optical filter function on top of silicon device chip wafer will be the future trend. Such optical filter structure often employ the structure less than 100 nanometers. Scivax has been spending the effort to develop the process of imprint on silicon device wafer. Polarized camera is used to acquire the polarization information from the objects which is not detectable with the normal camera. Direct integration of wire grid polarizer has a benefit to better performance and form factor. Direct formation of lens array and light guide on top of imaging device can realize the compact fingerprint sensor design. Formation of plasmonic or photonic crystal color filter array on top of photodiode can realize the high sensitive spectrometer. Biosensor is another application with such concept. Transfer speed of the heat can be controlled with the unique nanostructure by controlling the propagation speed of phonon. And this can be used for improving the efficiency of energy harvest device. Compound semiconductor wafer is usually fragile and not necessarily flat, which is usually the condition for nanoimprinting. Scivax flan system, which is conformable to give the gentle touch to the substrate surface, plays the key role to make a high-performance luminescent device by forming the photonic crystal or meta surface. Patterning of structure on sapphire substrate, so-called PSS, is the common method to improve the efficiency of LED device. Nano PSS by imprinting is considered better performance than micro PSS after the epitaxial growth for DUV LED. 5G network requires high speed and volume data transfer with low loss. DFB structure patterning can be made on INP wafer by imprinting process. Meta surface structures on the lightning device and the two-dimensional structure for photonic crystal laser device can be invented. Combiner is the key component to achieve the consumer acceptable specs for AR glasses. Nanoimprinting is one of the most promising production technique to achieve surface relief type structure using the diffractive technique. Various structures such as binary, slanted, multi-steps have been explored. Please consult with us on any possibility of micro to nanoscale structure on the surface. We are delighted to discuss about the projects.